Here's an advanced PPC trick Amazon sellers use to dominate Amazon ads. I'm going to be showing you in today's video. And you can see recently for our clients in the last 30 days, they spent $500 on Amazon ads, made around $5,000, ROAS 9.69, ACOS 10%, really good ROI, and a lot of it has to do with a self-targeted Amazon ad campaign, which I'm going to be showing you. So here is technically what the campaign is. This is like a little breakdown, right? It's a self-targeting research campaign. It's going to help you find new keywords as well on Amazon, but usually it has a really low ACOS, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to create a new campaign. You're going to click sponsored products. And I highly recommend you test out this campaign because it usually does very well. And you're just going to add one product, okay? Just one. Don't go crazy adding all of your products, right? Now you're going to do manual targeting. You're going to do product targeting. And what you're going to do is you're going to retarget your own product. So you're going to copy this ASIN. Okay. You're going to do individual products and you're going to do expanded. So enter list expanded and retarget your own product. Now expanded, you target a single product along with others related to it. So this includes substitutes, complements, and other products shopper engage with related to the original product. So Amazon automatically is going to know what products are related to yours and showcase your product to products that are related to yours. And the best part about this is you can see you're going to start with a 40% lower than Amazon's suggested bid. So around 40% lower than this is around like 90 cents. And then what you can do is slowly increase the bid if it's not spending. But these campaigns usually do extremely well. Okay. Now you're going to do down only. I don't want you to overspend your money. And then you're going to put, it's a self-targeted campaign. And then you're going to put your ASIN that you're retargeting. And that way you have that. Just start with a daily budget of $5 or $10 a day and make sure you're not increasing bids. The goal of this is to have a low bid and be able to spend money with a very, very low bid and have a decent sized budget, launch the campaign, and then see how it does. But again, usually you can start to lower this bid lower and lower and lower and get it as low as possible, and it'll still spend money, right? Of course, if it's not spending money, you can slowly increase it. But this is a great way to get ahead and find new keywords and new items that are related to your brand and let Amazon do all of the hard work for you, right? But that's it for today's video. If you want more Amazon videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's helping you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, Amazon ads, or just selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon advertising management service. This is where we come in. We look at all of your ads, re-optimize them, create new ads with strategies we've tried hundreds and thousands of times that we know work, get your ACOS lower, find new keywords, and double down. The benefit of their service is you don't have to look at your Amazon ads every single day. We're going to have a team member managing it every single day manually and making sure everything is done to perfection so that way your listing generates more sales for a very inexpensive price. We're helping you save time, money, and increase your sales with EHP Consulting Group. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.